Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert waterfall chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it. So firstly you need to select your area, need to insert chart, and now click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now this option, this chart option, click on this small drop down, and here more pie charts, just click on it. In this list you see here this, so just click on it, this waterfall, and now click on OK, and you see here this increase decrease total. You see here this blue is increase, and this orange is decrease, and this gray type this total. So just type here like this way, you can very easily do it. Type your number and very easily you can do it. So this way you can very easily insert chart. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.